Hey everybody, Ramblin Bob here again. So we finally got, with the help of Mike Brown, a possible explanation to what that modem sound was. He was nice enough to upload it to his webpage, and I was able to hear it for the first time. It really does. It sounds like a 56K modem almost to me. Um, I never heard it before, so I didn't really know what to, how to answer the question to help him. But now that I've heard it, I thought, what, that really sounds like a modem sound. It must have some kind of communication between the boards or something, and it's being amplified by the fans. That's what I'm understanding now, as far as what I could explain it. But I didn't build a machine, so I can't prove that. So this is the response that Mike Brown got from Pecron. It says, thanks a lot for your info. Please rest assured that this is the sound that may occur when the machine is running at low speed. Is normal. When connected to high power load, will not have this sound. So that's the broken English answer, which I guess it makes sense, but I don't understand why at low speed it makes that sound. So it has to be some kind of maybe balancing communications between the batteries and the machines. I don't know if you can hear it without the extra batteries on there. If it's just the machine itself, I don't know, because this is the first time that I've like literally got to hear it. So Mike, thank you very much for uploading your video to your webpage. That way I can experience something that I haven't heard yet. But it does sound like a modem sound. I still don't know what it is. I've only heard it once. But just to give other people a heads up, that's the response that Mike was able to get from Pecron. I also emailed Pecron again about the double menu issue, because that I can definitely see confusing the living heck out of people, having two menus in the same machine. It's like, oh boy. So this machine really had a lot of headaches. It does work very well, but boy, the setup was a headache for sure. But all right, that's just a quick update, guys. I just wanted to put that out there. I don't think Mike has or had access or the willingness to want to put it up, but he was very nice to be able to put that on his YouTube so I could hear it. So once again, Mike, thank you very much. It's the first time I've ever heard it, so I'll just put that in my file full of information as far as more craziness with this machine. So thanks, Mike. All right, guys, just a heads up. That way, if anyone else has any more information, please feel free, post it. It helps the whole community. All right, guys, ramble on, be safe. Bye. One more thing, guys. I just wanted to add Mike Brown's video right now so you guys can hear it. But I want you guys to have a warning. You have to turn up your sound very loud to hear it, and then you can hear it. But be careful, because the ending screen of my video, where the Amazon orders and stuff, it's very loud. So just a heads up, if you have headphones, go easy. Otherwise, you're gonna pop your eardrums. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna put that video now, and then don't forget to turn down your volume after a few seconds. His video is exactly 20 seconds long, so that'll give you kind of a warning. And then my ending screen is going to be very loud again. All right, guys, bye.